Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can easily change Facebook location settings. This video will guide you through on how to do that. Open the Facebook app on your device. You tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to access your settings. Scroll down and locate your activity section. While on the section, you tap on device permissions, or you can search for device permission at the search bar of the screen. Once it's opened, you tap on the See Info beside location. Now, tap on Update Settings. Then you tap on Open Device Settings and you'll be taken to your phone or your iPhone device settings. It looks like this. Now you tap on Location. That's where we can change the location settings. You can choose the options to never, ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. You can also get to this menu directly from your iPhone device. You open the Settings app on your device. Now you locate and tap on Privacy. Now you tap on Location Services. Then you scroll down until you find the Facebook app and you tap on it. So that's where you can change location settings from your device. Hope this video helps. Hit the like button, share and subscribe for more informative contents. Bye.